Lungs detox drinks for smokers. Cleans your respiratory system naturally. Hello, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be sharing a recipe for a lungs detox drink that can help smokers cleanse their respiratory system naturally. Smoking can cause significant damage to your lungs and respiratory system, but with the help of this detox drink, you can give your body the boost it needs to start repairing itself. This lungs detox drink is made with simple, natural ingredients that are known for their cleansing properties. Here's what you will need: 1 cup of freshly squeezed grapefruit juice, 1 cup of freshly squeezed pineapple juice, 1 tablespoon of ginger juice, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. First, squeeze 1 cup of grapefruit juice and 1 cup of pineapple juice. These fruits contain high levels of antioxidants which can help reduce inflammation in your respiratory system. Next, add 1 tablespoon of ginger juice. Ginger has an anti-inflammatory properties and can help clear mucus from your lungs. Then add 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey is known for its antibacterial properties and can help soothe your throat. Finally, add 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper can help improve blood circulation and open up your airways. Mix all the ingredients together and drink this lungs detox drink twice a day for a few days. You will notice a difference in your breathing and overall health. That's it for today's video on lungs detox drinks for smokers. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips.